The action camera's GoPro Hero Black is very popular all over the world. Popular cameras have both portability, high quality images. GoPro cameras are very cost effective, especially considering their reasonable prices. GoPro Hero Black is used by photographers, adventurers and various artists. All these people seems to be very satisfied their purchases. All these people are waiting for the release of the GoPro Hero 10. According to GoPro's release cycle, the GoPro Hero 10 camera will be released in September 2021. Most of the company's cameras were released in September. GoPro Hero 9 Black was released in September 2020. GoPro Hero 7 Black was released in 2018, with the Hero 7 Silver and Hero 7 White. GoPro always releases its cameras in September. The best thing about the GoPro cameras is that they are made for all photographers. It is very common. From video blogger, adventurers, artists, the design of the GoPro Hero 10. However, it is clear that design has older. The design of the Hero 9 Black is slightly different from the previous model. Hero 9 Black is bigger. In addition to size, the camera also has front LCD screen. This time continue to use new version. Users speculate that they may be larger than the normal GoPro cameras. Recently, the function of GoPro have developed rapidly in terms of technology. The camera has exceeded expectations. The GPS and motion sensor were much welcome feature. This enables adventurers to better record their adventures. Voice control is another noteworthy feature. The full color touchscreen improves the user's experience. However, the frame rate and resolution did not increase. GoPro users hope that the new device has better resolutions. No other sport cameras has these features. Users expect the performance of the GoPro Hero 10 to be better than the other sports cameras. Resolution is an important part of the camera to be obtain high quality images. The lens module can be provide very wide image so we can see more different lenses. GoPro's Max Lens mode goes one step further. It provides an ultra-wide view and image stability up to 2.7K resolutions. Users hope that the new GoPro Hero 10 can increase the speed. Users expect 2.7K slow motions and 480 FPS can be ensured that the camera is raised to a whole new level. Nowadays, slow motion videos are on trending these days. This feature is useful for users who want to keep up with the trends. Users look forward to the new GoPro Hero 10 with the wireless charging. The wireless charging dock that can be used to change the camera is very convenient. In this way, adventurers and nature photographers can effortlessly recharge their devices. The smooth charging process greatly improves the user experience. Lighting technology allows you to take beautiful photos at night. This also improves the quality of night shots. A technology that can be sense the environment and operate as expected to be excellent.